Welcome back to GigaBits, where we compare the tools creators actually use, not just the ones with the best marketing claims. Every year, a new mobile video editing app promises the same things: professional results, smoother effects, faster exports, all from your phone. Vivacut FF positions itself as a more serious editor, offering desktop-style control, advanced timelines, and precise editing tools. But in 2026, CapCut still dominates mobile video editing, especially for short-form content and social media creators. So the real question isn't whether Vivacut is powerful, it's this: can Vivacut FF realistically compete with CapCut in real-world content creation? Or is it simply a more complicated alternative with nicer-looking presets? I decided to review Vivacut FF because many creators are actively searching for CapCut alternatives. Frequent updates, feature changes, watermark limitations, and shifting export rules have pushed users to explore other editing apps that offer more control or fewer restrictions. Instead of relying on specs or marketing pages, I tested Vivacut FF side by side with CapCut using real editing projects: short-form videos, transitions, text animations, overlays, sound syncing, and final exports. The goal was simple: which app actually works better when you're editing under real deadlines? Vivacut FF markets itself as a professional mobile video editor designed for creators who want more control. It promotes features like multi-layer timelines, keyframe animations, chroma key support, blending modes, and high-resolution exports, all while claiming to remain accessible to beginners. On paper, Vivacut sounds like a serious competitor to CapCut, especially for users who feel limited by CapCut's templates and automation-heavy workflow. Starting with the interface, Vivacut immediately feels more technical and manual than CapCut. The timeline supports multiple video and audio layers, precise trimming, opacity controls, and advanced blending modes. Keyframe animation is more exposed, allowing detailed control over movement, scale, rotation, and effects. This makes Vivacut appealing to experienced editors who prefer hands-on control rather than automated presets. However, this power comes with trade-offs. Vivacut has a steeper learning curve. Simple actions like adding text animations, syncing effects, or adjusting transitions often take longer and require more manual steps. CapCut, by contrast, prioritizes speed and accessibility. Its workflow is built around templates, one-tap effects, automatic captions, and trend-based assets, allowing creators to produce content much faster. When it comes to effects, assets, and creative libraries, CapCut clearly has the advantage. Its collection of transitions, text styles, sound effects, and trending templates is massive and constantly updated. Vivacut's library is smaller and depends heavily on manual customization rather than ready-made creative tools. Export quality in Vivacut FF is solid. It supports high resolutions and smooth frame rates, and visual quality holds up well. However, performance can suffer on mid-range devices, especially with layered projects and keyframe-heavy animations, where CapCut tends to remain more optimized. Many of Vivacut's most useful features are locked behind a paid subscription. Free users may feel restricted by limited effects, export options, or access to premium tools, which can interrupt workflows. There's also a noticeable gap in ecosystem support. Vivacut has fewer tutorials, less community content, and far fewer trend-based tools compared to CapCut. CapCut's biggest strength remains its ecosystem. Frequent updates, cloud syncing across devices, and direct integration with social platforms like TikTok make it extremely efficient for creators focused on reach and speed. So, is Vivacut FF better than CapCut in 2026? For most creators, the answer is no. Vivacut FF is powerful, precise, and capable, but it's best suited for users who value manual control, detailed timelines, and don't rely on trends, templates, or fast turnaround times. For creators focused on growth, consistency, and rapid content production, CapCut remains the better and more practical choice. For honest, in-depth comparisons between editing apps, AI tools, and creator software before you invest your time or money, make sure to follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more real-world tech reviews.